not on the trail today. We're in the middle of a blizzard. State of emergency. Can't drive on the roads until 6 p.m. tonight here in central New York. And right now it's just about 1 o'clock and it's quite deep. So yeah, end of March. We had that tease few weeks ago, 75 degrees, sunny, beautiful. 2 Fridays in a row it was like that, and here we are. Just complete crap. Here's on my grill. So far, that's what we've got. So it's going to be about another 12 to 18 inches, they say. So what are you gonna do? But I'm gonna have to go shovel this driveway. No fun. So there's the Mariner. Somebody come up with a name for that. I named the van, not that one, but our van, Mastodon. So the Mariner needs a name. I'm trying to think of one. Well, the travel ban is now 3 p.m. and 30 minutes of shoveling. It's just going to get filled back in quickly. So the beauty of winter is also a pain right in the butt. Anyway, we'll get through it. Another blizzard. That's living in central New York for you. And the snow continues. So call work. See what's up.
Due to weather, on March 14th, the plant will be closing for second and third shift, and with a delayed start time for day shift on March 15th. Please do not report to work if you are a second or third shift employee, and if you are a day shift employee, please do not report back to work prior to 8 a.m. on the 15th. Check back on this emergency line for any further changes or updates.
Day off from work. Yes! See? Snow, blizzards can have a benefit, and I needed a day off. So, hey, I'm going to be shoveling for a few more hours. I'm going to grab a nice cold one and enjoy being outside, even though I can't travel anywhere because they put in a travel ban at 3 o'clock now. Wow, what a day it's turning out to be, but it's quite pretty. People driving by. Wow. Yeah, this is my garage under a pine tree. It's huge, but it acts as a canopy and helps with the snowfall. Anyway, guys, I'm going to grab a cold one. Like I said, I'll be back to check in with you because it looks like everything I just shoveled is full. Okay, I shoveled the entire driveway once, and when I was finished, I had to go back through and finish it twice. So I bet you it's gonna be about 4 more times by tomorrow morning. But like I said, I'm going to enjoy a cold one. Oh yeah. Oh, time to relax and get a drink, and I'm going to show you the snowfall. There we go. Much, much better. But why do you drink such cheap beer? Some people just don't know. Anyway, I drink a lot of different kinds of beer. It's mostly, my favorite is Sierra Nevada Torpedo, and I'll show you guys a bunch more this camping, hiking season. And but for right now, because I'm working, I want a light beer, and I'm not spending $20 on the same exact beer, Coors Light, which is Keystone, same exact thing. So that's the driveway, shoveled again, and yeah, it is what it is. But I didn't have to go to work today, and here's the grill. Wow. Yeah, Blizzard 2017, Blizzard Stella, whatever they want to name the storm. We're going to enjoy it, and we're not going to get snowed in. And this weekend, most of this I hope melts, and we'll get back on the trail. And guys, that's the report here in Central New York. Watch this. My beer, that's a tall can, disappeared. Too much snow. Here comes the snowplow. I'm gonna plow in my driveway again. Yes? No? Other side. Oh, they've gone by like 3 times, just plowing it back in. Alright, on to the adventure of finding my beer. Peace.